Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are here to do another modification in Bangalore for Tata Nexon. So this is the Nexon we are going to modify. So guys, in this car we are going to install this damping, okay, and we have just removed the this system, and we are installing Harman original Android, and okay, the side guard we are just installing, and this aftermarket armrest, and rear light. So this is rear indicator light. So after installing, it will look beautiful. I will show you the view. And apart from that, rear blower also installing. Rajesh is working on it. Okay, and so this is the Harman. We are just installing it in this Nexon. So guys, finally completed the work here, and we have installed the Harman Android. Okay, so totally we have installed here, and apart from that, we have installed this reflector light in the front two doors, and we have installed original ORVM mirror here, so both sides, and the armrest aftermarket fitted. Hazard light, parking light. ना वो वाला बटन दबाओ, बीच वाला. Yeah, this one I'm asking. आओ ना पीछे आके देखो. You got the view. Okay, and this is the blower they have installed here in this vehicle. So this is not a AC vent and all, so this is a blower.